Hi friends, అందరికి నమస్తే. టుడే మన టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి who launched second 5 years plan and when he was launched. Former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru launched second 5 years plan. He was launched during the time period of 1956 and it is ended at 1961. The time period of second 5 years plan is 1956 to 1961. Second 5 years plan is also called as industrial and transport plan. Once again, who launched second 5 years plan? Former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru launched second 5 years plan. It is also called as industrial and transport plan. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.